Hey guys, welcome back to Trading Card Cave. We've got the box number 2 of the RC Explosion box for this month. We just ripped box number 1 with Eli, and now he's done. He's not, as you know, big into baseball. He doesn't know anybody's name. I've tried to explain to him how the game works. I've taken him to a bunch of minor league baseball games. He likes to go to the games. He just doesn't want to collect baseball or learn more about it. So, without further ado, let's get to work. 2020 Series 1. I've already bought some of this product, but always glad to open up some new stuff. Oh, nice. Fernando Tatis Rookie Cup. Take that. You never know how much those are going to be worth. You got to look for the short prints too. You never know when you get one of those. For those that don't know, there's a Verlander. There's the guy that started it all, Mike Frears. For those who don't know, if you want to know if you have a short print, most of them are pretty easy to identify, but there's 3 numbers on the back here. The last 3 numbers, there's a serial number. You got to look them up to see to verify if it's a short print or not. So, 2019 Topps Update Series, we're looking for Vlad Guerrero, Herrera, Austin Riley, Nick Senzel, Kieboom, Arraez, and variations of every one of those guys to include a bunch more. So, excuse me. Sky Bolt Rookie. I don't know if I got one of him yet. Cole Irvin Rookie. Jake Bowers. A little foil of Jesus something. A nice Pete Alonso. Home Run Derby Rookie. Carlos Santana. And a Wei Chi Hang. Or Wong. Something. Alright, Top Series 2. 2019. We're looking for the short print of Vlad. It's got no number on the back. And then base cards of Pete Alonso, Tatis, and Jimenez. Mike Frears. I wonder if his cards went up in value at all. Jake Cave Rookie. Oh, there's a cool one. Nice Bo Jackson insert. I like that card. Story, Luis Ortiz. Cole Hamels. He's on the Braves now, but he got injured. And that's it. 2019 Bowman's Best. Looking for a bunch of stuff. Mainly rookie base cards and refractors of Tatis, Guerrero, Pete Alonso, Jimenez, Herrera, Austin Riley, Kopech, Nick Senzel, and Carter Kieboom. Prospect base cards of Franco, Robert, Adele, Rauschman, and Bichette. And then there's a bunch of autos that you could find. There's a Christian Yelich, Jose Abreu, Taylor Trammell, nice, Wander Franco, refractor, and a Shohei Ohtani. Put that Franco up there. Next up, Topps Heritage Minor League. We're looking for Yordan Alvarez, Fernando Tatis, Vlad Guerrero, Pete Alonso, Jimenez, Gavin Lux, Bo Bichette, Royce Lewis, Drew Waters, and Alex Kirilloff. David Fletcher. Save leaders. Drew Ellis. Man, I wish that was a real autograph. Helio Ramos. Franklin Keelan. Brandon Rogers. And Bill Burrows. Next up is Topps Heritage High number. Looking for Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, and Meadows. And we're looking for variations of those guys to include Gurriel Jr., Miles McCollum, rookie. There's the Gurriel. Very nice. Very nice. Don't have that card, actually. Brandon Morrow, Joey Wendell, Victor Robles, rookie performers, Trevor Cahill, Mark McMillanton, Malik Smith, and Yoshihisa something, rookie. Nice. Excuse me. Let me look at something here. Let me compare some numbers real quick. Okay. Next up is 2018 Topps Chrome Retail. Looking for base cards and refractors of Acuna, Torres, Ohtani, Devers, Albies, Walker Buehler, Jack Flaherty, and Hoskins. This guy who tried to help his friend but probably lied his butt off. Yeah, no comment on that. 2013 Update Series. Base and parallels of Christian Yelich, Nolan Arenado, Anthony Rendon, Garrett Cole, and Didi Gregorius. Boone Logan. Casper Wells. Can't say that guy's name, but I like those cards. Franchise Forerunners, Shelby Miller and Bob Gibson. Ooh, there we go, Garrett Cole. That's my first Garrett Cole rookie debut. I'll take it. And Yasiel Puig. Checklists. All right. 2004 Topps. Looking for base cards and parallels of Yadier Molina and Zach Greinke. Oh, this pack's not bad. Jerry Hairston Jr. A-Rod. Alfonso. First pack I opened of this was all stuck together. Travis Driscoll. Steve Finley. Home run leaders, A-Rod, Frank Thomas, and Delgado. Jeff Weaver. Jose Mesa. Luis Rivas. Calvin Escobar. And students, work hard, get cards. Yeah. Okay. 1990 Leaf Series 2, looking for Larry Walker and Frank Thomas. Obviously, Larry Walker got elected to the Hall of Fame this year, so his cards probably going up in value. I haven't done much research on him. I like Larry Walker. I thought he was a good player. I thought he was borderline Hall of Fame. Either way, I'm not going to argue against it. Steve Avery. Ozzie Canseco. Jose's bro. Eric Klunk, Bagnazzi, Candelaria, and Belinda. And last pack, 1985 Leaf. We're looking for Roger Clemens, Kirby Puckett, and Dwight Gooden. I'll get that, sweetie. Dave Collins, Gary Matthews, Dwight Evans, Ken Phelps. This guy was pretty good for a couple of years. Rick Rhoden, nice Carney Lansford, George Foster, Steve Sachs, Ken Griffey's dad, and oh, nice Gary Carter. Take that one. That does it for box 2 of the Rookie Card Explosion box. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Good luck. We'll see you next time. God bless.